Hey friends, we've got a little problem that we're going to solve today. So I'm at my mother-in-law's house. This is her little spare car that she uses, but because she's away for so long, this thing doesn't get cycled very often and the battery keeps running out of juice. We're going to change that today. This is the Hulkman battery charger. It's a 10 amp battery charger. It has multiple settings, great little device to connect to your AC power, as well as the battery terminals on your vehicle to keep this thing in a really nice charged state. Let me show you how it works. So let's take a closer look at the actual product. This is the packaging. You can see this is the Sigma 10 battery charger. And again, it's designed with all sorts of features. We have a large 4.2 LED display. It's got an AI charge maintainer, battery voltage display, which is important, as well as a 3-year warranty. Now, the great thing about this is it is highly adaptable to lots of different batteries and the different styles of battery. So as you can see, this is compatible with LED, NG, lithium, etc. Now, this is going to be best suited for trucks and larger vehicles, so larger batteries. But again, it also works on a wide range of devices, including motorcycles, cars, ATVs, boats, those kind of things. So again, perfect for our application. Now, out of the box, you can see everything that is included. We have the main unit, and this is going to be able to be mounted using our little mounter right here. Again, you have some instructions for how you can do that, so you can sit on a wall and make things nice and easy. We also have a couple of different cords here. We have the cord that goes out to our various attachments. You can tell by the little yellow end there, as well as our plug that goes into the wall to receive AC power. Now, again, you have multiple attachments to choose from, which is really, really nice. This is going to be your traditional battery maintainer. And again, they plug in to the end cap here. And then this is going to go obviously on your positive and your negative terminals in a traditional car battery. We also have the attachments that look like this if you have ring terminals on the battery that you're trying to maintain. So having a choice is really, really nice. We also have a larger attachment here that can be used for multiple different devices as a plug-in option. Now, again, one of the nice things I am seeing is that each of the positive lines has this 15 amp fuse attached to it just for added protection. So for our purposes today, for the car battery, we're going to need this accessory right here, these little clamps. Basically, we just take this end. This is going to snap right in to the main unit's out port, and basically we just plug it in like that. You'll hear a nice little click, and everything is now connected. Next, we'll take our AC power plug, and I'm just going to take this and I'm going to plug it into the little outlet here. The nice thing about this is that you can actually mount it right here on your garage wall or wherever is most convenient. Again, in our case, because we're going to be using it both for our winter battery charging for our Sprinter van, as well as job uses like this for my mother-in-law, we don't have to keep this plug in, and we actually have quite a bit of room, both on the accessory side as well as the AC plug-in side, to reach the car's battery. Okay, with this turned on, you can see that we have a number of different settings that we can use. We can actually scroll through here and you can see all the different versions. We're going to be on 12 volt, and that is what the current car battery is. And then we're ready to put our clamps on. So we'll do the positive side first, and then we'll come over here and do the negative side. And as you can see, as soon as I hit that OK button, we go into the charging mode. Now we're currently reading 13.7 volts, which is pretty normal for a 12 volt battery. You can see we're about 75% charged. We've got about 25% more to go. And then we're gonna have a fully functioning battery. So really cool stuff. Again, a really nice way of making sure your battery is nice and maintained, especially during those winter months. This, again, is the Hulkman Sigma 10. Great little device. Definitely a thumbs up from us. You can find it right here on Amazon. Hopefully that's helped, friends. If it has, hit that thumbs up button for us and let us know what kind of other product reviews you'd like to see. Subscribe to the channel because we come out with tons of these every single week to make your life just a little bit easier. We'll see you again on the next one.